So native LLM support, we already saw the screenshot, kind of, but here you just initialize your GPT model, in this case, and you say response format type, JSON object. But you have to say in your prompt, okay, output should be in JSON to answer this question, and what are the schema, your schema, basically, what fields. And then it will give you the response. But the response is still string. You need to do a JSON.loadis and convert it into a dictionary and all of that. So output parsers actually make it easier for you, where they create the schema for you in the prompt, and they also do the loading into a Python dictionary for you. So how do you do that? You can use output parser, like in this case, we are using LangChain, JSON output parser. We use Pydantic to create a Python data class. A data class is basically what will be the fields of the returned response. In this case, we create a class called game details. We have a win team, lose team, venue, date, score. Those are the outputs I want for my asked question. And we give a description also, so it's easier for the LLM to understand what is this field all about. And then we just wrap it in the JSON output parser. We wrap the data class in the JSON output parser. So depending on your output format, you can create a data class like this and wrap it in the JSON output parser. The advantage here is if you look at this function, it already creates a full prompt for you with your schema. So you don't need to sit and type in the schema yourself to give to the LLM. It's all based on prompts at the end of the day. So now you create a prompt template saying, okay, who won the Champions League? And we just say, use the following format. We don't sit and type it out. And then we connect the prompt template to the model, ChatGPT, and the parser we created, which is the JSON output parser. And this instructions, we pass it at runtime, which gets populated here. Okay? And then you get back the response, and you can see the response is already parsed into a Python dictionary format, so you can just dump it into a database, convert it into a data frame, whatever you want to do with it.